Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys this quick set that I did. So this video, it's a bit fast because this is not really a tutorial. This is just me, welcoming back to my channel, basically. I haven't posted in a while, but there has been great things happening. I finally got my own suites, and so I will be making way more content, but I don't want to make any promises. So whatever I can put out, that is what I'm putting out there. But right now, I'm just doing these nails that I had did for this young lady's prom. And so she's going to prom. Well, she already went to prom, but she's going to prom. And so her dress is like a blue color. And so we wanted to do a blue set for her. So right now, I'm just adding the tips. And y'all, I'm not going to even lie. This was my first time doing someone's hands that were so small. Like, her hands are so tiny. It was so cute though. But after I had applied the tips, we cut them and shaped them out. And so she wanted to do a square nail. I don't usually record the process of me cutting down the nails and shaping them, but if you guys would like for me to record those parts, I definitely will. But right now I am using all of the Young Nails products. I'm using their monomer, their primer, their cover bear, and the blue color is actually a dipping powder. But you are able to use the dipping powder as a acrylic because it's technically acrylic. It's just more finer. But yeah, so I encapsulated everything, and then I had added the diamonds and stuff. And y'all, I did not record me adding the diamonds. I'm so upset. But yeah, I just, I got her right with adding all of the colors, and then we had added the stones and the flowers, and her nails came out really, really good after I added the gel top coat. Look at this. Look. Yes, girl. Okay.